Hello everyone, welcome back to Modern Pinoy Cooking. Today I am going to show you how to make pares, gourmet style. This is so gourmet, you can even call it Paris Hilton. Okay, enough about side jokes there. Let's go straight to the video. Okay, we're going to start with some beef tendon, and we are going to boil this for an hour. I'm going to add some ginger powder. I'm also going to add some salt and a little bit of vinegar. Alright, for the meat we are going to use some beef brisket, and I'm going to slice this up in small pieces along with some beef shanks. Let's slice this up as well. And I'm going to use beef short ribs for more flavor. Alright guys, these are the tendon that we boiled earlier. And now I'm going to slice up some ginger. We're going to slice this up thinly. And we also need 5 cloves of garlic. For those who are new to my channel, guys, I post weekly videos, and if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Alright guys, now we are going to add some red onions. We're gonna chop this up. Whoop! Say our red onions with a little bit of oil. Okay, let's add in the ginger and garlic, and we're going to add the brisket and the beef shanks. We're going to sear this up for 2 minutes, and as soon as you see some browning, we're going to add our beef short ribs. I'm going to cover this for 3 minutes just so I can get those fats out of those meat. We're going to add in beef tendon. Alright, let's give this a good stir. And we're going to add our soy sauce. We're also going to add turbinado or raw sugar and organic ginger powder. I'm going to add some water and cook this for an hour. And now let's slice up some king oyster mushrooms and saute this for a minute. And let's add some salt and pepper. We're going to set this aside. We're going to start making our fried rice with a little bit of garlic. We're going to saute this until it's golden brown before we add in our rice. Okay, let's set this aside and let's go back to our meat, see if it's tender. Alright, looks tender right there. We're going to add some anise seeds, and I'm only using 2 because this is pretty strong. And I'm also going to add some rice water and some quail eggs. This is optional, guys. Alright guys, cook this for 5 more minutes. And now you have gourmet pares. There you have it, guys. That looks really good, right? Alright guys, that's it for today's video. If you like this one, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. Guys, before I go, I'd like to thank each and every one of you who's always supporting me. Until next time, bye.